Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we're checking out the Mercedes-Benz 300SL. It's car 27 of 250 in the mainline set, and it is car 3 of 10 in the Retro Racers series. And it's also part of the 2023 Super Treasure Hunt set. It's this cool Spectra Flame red decorated with the number 2 in a black circle on the hood and the sides. The TH, the Hot Wheels logo, and the Bilstein logo are displayed on the sides. A Mercedes emblem along with the 300SL are on the trunk. Features include tinted windows, grey interior, it's got a red base, and the real rider wheels with red rims and silver lips. Man, they look so cool. I really like those silver lips here. The vehicle can be found in a Mix B of the 2023 Hot Wheels mainline cases. The Mercedes-Benz 300SL made its debut in the 2020 Car Culture Team Transport series. It's based upon the 1950s sports car that has been modified for racing. Now let's check out the mainline for 2023. As I said before, it's car 3 of 10 in the Retro Racers series, and it's a really nice red colour. Got black stripes on the front quarter panel, Mercedes logo on the front and rear, the 300SL on the rear, and number 2 on the hood and the sides, and the Bilstein logo, just like the Super Treasure Hunt. Now for me, I think it's definitely the Super Treasure Hunt that stands out. The colour of these windows is the same smoke tint. We've got aero disc wheels, black rims. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments below which one you like best, the Super Treasure Hunt or the mainline. For me, it's the Super Treasure Hunt. Alright everyone, catch you on the next one.